Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Obsidian versus Evernote versus Notion. Three note taking powerhouses, each claiming to be your ultimate second brain in 2025. But which one actually delivers the best experience this year? Let's break it down fast and fair. User interface and experience. First up, the user interface. Obsidian feels minimal and coder friendly. It's clean, but definitely has a learning curve. If you love Markdown and customization, it's paradise. Evernote has had a redesign. It's sleeker now, but still feels more like a traditional notebook. Great for users who want simplicity without too many bells and whistles. Notion strikes the balance. It's beautiful, intuitive, and modular. Whether you are journaling or building a dashboard, Notion's drag and drop interface is hard to beat. And the winner for the UI or the user interface is Notion. It's versatile and beginner friendly. Features. When it comes to features, all three are packed, but differently. Obsidian is perfect for knowledge management with its local first approach and backlining system. It is a dream for network thought and personal knowledge bases. Evernote keeps things simple notes, notebooks, web clippers, but has added tasks and calendar integrations in 2025. Still, it lacks the depth power users crave. Notion is a jack of all trades notes, wikis, databases, calendars, project boards, you name it, but be warned, it can become overwhelming fast. And the winner at this point is Obsidian for deep thinkers and Notion for productivity generalists. Pricing and storage. Now let's talk about money. Obsidian remains free for personal use with optional paid plugins and sync. You own your notes stored locally, great for privacy and budget conscious users. Evernote, it's gone more premium. In 2025, the free plan is limited and most features are locked behind paid tiers. Users are frustrated with recent price hikes. Notion still offers a generous free plan and recently improved offline support. Teams and solo users can get a lot done without paying. Offline and sync. Offline support and syncing are huge in 2025. Obsidian is local first, meaning your notes live on your device. Fast, secure, always offline ready. Cloud sync is optional. Evernote requires an internet connection for most features, though it does have limited offline access with the paid plan. Notion finally caught up. Offline access in 2025 is much more reliable than before. Sync across devices is smooth with Notion. And the winner for the offline use is Obsidian. Final verdict. So now you may ask yourself, which one should I go for? If you are a knowledge worker, writer, or privacy first user, Obsidian is your winner. For collaboration and all-in-one organization, Notion is unmatched. And if you just want simple notes with no fuss, Evernote still holds its ground, but it is falling behind. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please support us with like and goodbye.